Is your Lexus IS250 key fob not working? The most common culprits are a dead battery or a simple connectivity issue. First, replace the CR1632 battery. Low battery voltage less than 2.5 volts often causes intermittent signals. If a new battery doesn't solve the problem, try a smart access reset. This involves cycling the ignition or using an OBDI scanner to clear fault codes like B2799, which means key not detected. These steps resolve the majority of key fob issues and can save you a trip to the dealership. If battery replacement and reset don't work, the issue might be with the car's antenna or a more complex smart access problem. The IS250 uses antennas in the door handles, trunk, and under the dashboard to receive signals. Interference from metal objects, water damage, or faulty wiring can disrupt reception. For water damage, dry the fob thoroughly and try the reset procedure again. Also, be aware that installing aftermarket parts like roof racks can sometimes block the trunk antenna. If these steps fail, it's best to consult a Lexus dealer for professional diagnostics and reprogramming.